alam mo, nung bata tayo, maraming ginagawa noon na ang sinasabi lang ng mga matatanda, hayaan mo na yan. Bata lang yan. Nagbibiruan lang yan. Pero ngayon, mas aware na tayo, di ba?
Yeah,
Yes.
because hindi naman lahat ng biro nakakatawa, di ba?
Exactly. Sometimes one sentence, one joke, one post, one comment can stay in the child's life or mind for years.
Ay, oo.
Correct.
Diba? So ano ba talaga ang bullying?
Kwento lang, chika pero deep. Mga usapang hindi mo makip. Laugh a little, learn a little too. Stories that connect me and you. Real talk, real life, walang filter. From the heart, getting deeper. Kwento lang, chika pero deep. Listen close, the convo we keep.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Kwento Lang, Chika Pero Deep.
Yes, today we're talking about something that almost everyone has experienced in one way or another. This is bullying.
Whether ikaw yung nabully, ikaw ang nakakita, or baka baka hindi mo namamalayan, ikaw pala ang nambubuli.
That's bad.
Oo, alam mo, nung bata tayo, maraming ginagawa noon na ang sinasabi lang ng mga matatanda, hayaan mo na yan. Bata lang yan. Nagbibiruan lang yan. Pero ngayon, mas aware na tayo, di ba?
Yeah,
Yes.
because hindi naman lahat ng biro nakakatawa, di ba?
Exactly. Sometimes one sentence, one joke, one post, one comment can stay in the child's life or mind for years.
Ay, oo.
Correct.
Diba? So ano ba talaga ang bullying? Hindi lang ba ito yung nanunulak?
Oo.
grabe.
Yan yung mga common misconception kasi. Kapag sinabing bully, iniisip agad natin, yung siga sa classroom, siga ka ba?
Mamalaman niyo mamaya.
Pero bullying comes in many forms. Like for example, physical, di ba?
Oo.
Pagtutulak,
Yeah.
di ba? Pananakit,
That's
paninipa.
Ako maraming kasong ganyan ngayon,
Oo,
di ba?
Physical. Ito naman, verbal. Ano ba itong mga verbal bullying na to? Yung pang-aasar, name calling, body shaming,
Oo.
accent shaming, medyo iba yung intonation, di ba? Binubuli natin
Ganun ba yun?
Correct.
Yeah, that can be ano.
At meron ding pag-social, 'di ba? Yung hindi kasi nasama sa group, aray. 'Di ba? Sinisiraan ka or nagkakalat ng chismis
Yeah,
about
yeah.
you.
Yeah. For online, ito naman yung mga hurtful comments, di ba?
marami
Oo,
din yan
bashing,
ngayon.
di ba?
Oo, correct.
Oo.
Group chats, mga fake accounts, mga memes.
Oo, sobrang dami niyan ngayon talaga.
Yes. So, minsan, hindi mo kailangan manakit. Words can hurt just as much.
Correct. And question, growing up ba, tayo, did you experience bullying? Or did you witness someone being bullied?
Ikaw.
Ikaw.
Okay, sa school, I mean, admit it or not, meron talaga tayong classmates na, alam mo yung malakas yung dating. Maybe it's their personality. And meron din naman talaga yung tahimik lang. and all. So, I would say, I think I experienced it in a way, yung social bullying na yan, because there was a time basta sumama ako sa isang group, and then, they were just, yung mga nagbubulong-bulungan, whispering. Syempre, that's, feeling ko, parang medyo ina-outcast ako. Because I was from another section. So anyway, I just got out from that group. And then I joined another group. So, feeling ko at that time, that was kind of bullying.
Yeah.
I felt that way. Kasi parang, yung dinaan ka sa lakas ng dating. And, parang yung magbubulungan in front of me. Tapos nagtatawanan. So, I didn't know if it was me. Pero parang feeling ko, anong ginawa ko? Diba?
Na-off ka tuloy.
So, I just left them. So, okay lang.
Ikaw sa school. Ako naman din sa school. Pero it's the other way around.
Ikaw yun ang bubuli.
Hindi.
Kasi, sabihin ka hindi.
Oo. Ang nangyayari, if let's say may nabubuli, they come to me and ask for...
To the rescue!
Ikaw yung
Rest back.
savior nila.
Rest back.
Oo.
So,
I know.
I guess, in a way, ako yung nagpapacify siguro. Or I'm bridging that gap dun sa mga nambubuli. And
Like
sa
how,
nabubuli.
Rix? How do they tell you na napupuli sila?
They come to me and ask me if I could check out the
the
person na
person.
nagbabully.
Pero
Kaya
anong
kunyari,
ginagawa mo?
recess time,
Oo.
kunyari, hinahunt siya nung
Oh.
Ito, kambal pa to eh.
Oh,
Sino
oh.
yan?
Kambal.
Okay.
So, binabantayan ko yung friend ko.
Oh,
Oo.
nagsumbong
Classmate
sa'yo.
natin.
Oh, okay.
Oo.
Kambal yun ng bubuli.
Yes, kaya hindi ko
okay.
alam talaga kung sino sa kanila yun ang bubuli.
Ah.
So I have, so you know, minsan
You
I
just
talk to the
guarded
person.
her, parang ganon.
Minsan I talk to the bullies
Ay,
and tell
talk
them.
to them.
Na,
Buti na hindi ka binubuli nung nang bubuli.
hindi, kasi medyo siga-siga rin tayo.
Sigay
Yun
na
ang
good way.
sinasabi ko eh.
Sigay na good way, ah.
Pinalalabas ko lang yun.
Sigay na good way. Because
Sigay na-
athletic si Rick, so parang ganong siga. But
Popular sa
Oo,
school.
Popular, but
kaya-
not the one who starts
Thank you,
yung mga
Gidget.
trouble.
Thank you,
No,
Gidget.
really.
Pero
I
take
can
note
attest to that.
ang bullying, hindi lang yan pang school ha.
Oh.
Diba?
Mm.
Ako before,
Sa workplace
work.
na?
Oo, sa
Oo.
work. Before pa, ilang 1990s pa yata to.
Talaga?
Oo, so, hindi naman ako, hindi. Medyo bata pa kasi ako compared to all of them, ano. And then, maybe because they feel, yung grupo naman medyo matatanda na doon, feeling nila, ako lagi yung nauutusan ng boss, and then for mga confidential things sa akin, pinagagawa, ganyan, ganyan. And you know, there was one time, pagpasok ko sa office, okay, may bago kaming boss. Sabi niya, Risa, confidential to kasi parang table of organization yung pinagagawa. So, pinalagay niya ako doon sa may tabi ng office niya.
Oo.
And then, pagpasok ko kinabukasan, hinahanap ko yung computer. Noon, computer pa tayo, di ba? Hinahanap ko yung computer ko, nawawala. As in, pati yung table, nawawala.
Grabe.
Oo, tas parang clerical table na lang, kasi supervisor's table yung binigay sa akin. Clerical table na lang yung
Pinalitan
naiwan.
because supervisor yung table mo.
Hindi, but
Oh.
pati kasi yung gamit ko nawala. So, hinahanap ko, you know, kung saan ko siya nakita.
Saan?
Nasa dulong-dulo siya sa may bodega. Labas ng bodega
Wow, tindi.
na pinto.
Sobrang threatened naman yung mga tao
and
na
then,
yan.
so umupo ako doon because lahat sila magkakakampi.
Yeah.
So umupo ako doon sa table na madilim and then nasa likod ko kasi yung pinto
Sino
ng
yun,
bodega.
Grace?
Pero friends ko na sila ngayon. So
okay.
anyway, pagdating ng boss, hinahanap niya ako. Kasi alam niya, nandun ako sa may pinto niya. Hinahanap niya ako. And then, hanggang nakita niya ako. Tapos sabi niya, ba't ka nandyan? Parang, ba't ka nandyan? Ganyan. Tapos gumanyan lang ako. And then, alam niya na yung, that's pinatawag niya ako. And then sinabi ko, pagdating ko, ganon. So, ganon yung bullying. And then basta ganyan, yung feeling mo na hindi ka accepted doon
Because
sa grupo.
feeling siguro nila, senior kami, ikaw ano ka lang, bago ka lang dito.
Oo,
So,
tapos
parang
sa'yo
ganon.
pinagagawa yung confidential.
May
So,
mga
yung mga
natitreten
ganon.
sa ano mo.
Oo.
Sa'yo.
Grabe talaga.
So, ito nga yung madalas natin naririnig about bullying. Biro lang.
Yeah.
Pero here's the thing. Kung ikaw lang ang natatawa, hindi na biro yun.
Oo naman.
Correct.
Oo,
Diba?
exactly. You should not make everyone laugh. Just the person, no? And not to make one person cry.
Totoo.
Diba?
So, have you ever realized that it was a joke supposed to be but then later on, oo nga, may nasaktan pala dahil doon.
Oo. And let's face it, I mean, minsan guilty tayo dyan, di ba? Pag may nagjo-joke na nang-aalas ka ng ibang tao, natatawa ka talaga. However, minsan kasi iba-iba yung kinds o types of delivery eh.
Yeah.
Or sitwasyon, 'di ba?
Correct,
Pag
correct.
talagang yung mood is asaran, yung ganyan. That's fine, nakakatawa talaga 'yon. Pero yung out of the blue, yung uncalled for, bigla kang aasarin or bigla kang ano ba 'yon? Biglang
You're caught off
magko-comment
guard, no?
about you na hindi mo alam saan nanggaling.
Yeah.
Or may dating yung the way ka inalas ka or ganyan.
Yeah.
Chinook. Yun ang bullying, I think, for me, na dapat hindi tinatawanan. Kasi minsan, ikaw, na nakikinig, alam mo, nararamdaman mo rin yung off or yung uncalled for jokes eh. Diba?
Pero di ba they say sometimes jokes are half meant.
Yeah.
So talagang nasa delivery rin yun kasi minsan may sarcastic eh. So doon mo talaga makikita may insultong dating.
Correct.
Hindi na talaga joke yung mga gano'n, di ba?
Oo, na yun ang mga dapat na hindi tinatawanan.
Correct.
And then you call the
At pag
attention
natawa
of...
ka doon, isa ka sa guilty.
Correct.
Kasi parang alam mong nang-aasar na yung isa, sarcastic na natawa ka pa.
So,
di
eto,
ba?
out of circumstance naman to. I remember nung nag-pandemic, we used
Oo.
to meet up every month.
Mm-mm.
Diba?
Zoom.
Diba?
Oo,
Zoom.
oo,
Ganyan.
Tama.
Minsan we joke around. Out of, let's say, kunyari, seryosong usapan, biglang meron tayong naririnig sa background natin.
Oo.
Kasi we can filter that eh.
Yeah,
Oo.
that's true.
Diba?
Oo.
Not everyone is thick-skinned na hindi, madaming sensitive eh.
Oo.
Diba?
Oo.
So, I remember, without mentioning any name, diba?
Okay.
Medyo na-offend siya because we started laughing
Oo.
over something.
Wala ako doon.
Wala ka doon.
Oo.
Nagmamali.
Pero hindi, parang
Oo.
parang na-offend siya.
Oo.
Doon
Pero sa
sa-
atin, wala kasi happy yung mood na yun eh, di ba?
Bakit ba?
Dahil-
Bakit
ano?
ba nagtawanan? What happened?
There was a sound na biglang,
Oo, doon sa background
oo,
niya.
Yeah.
quiet eh.
Tapos may
Parang,
narinig.
parang di ba pag quiet, tapos biglang meron tayong narinig.
May
Biglang kami yun.
provincial sound
So everybody.
na narinig. So
Oo.
nagtawanan
Nag-react ang
kasi,
mga tao.
oo.
So I think,
Okay.
to us, ano tayo?
Hindi ko nga naalala yun eh.
Ano lang sa atin yun?
Parang
Hindi nga
wala
biro
lang.
yun eh.
Oo, oo.
Di ba?
Oo.
Medyo nagkim-kim na.
But maybe we can't also, di ba?
Yeah.
Kanya-kanyang ano
oo,
yun.
yun ang sinasabi ko, na
Oo.
yung parang
Hindi
nagjo-joke
natin
tayo
alam.
na hindi naman natin sinasadya.
Oo. Pero hindi bullying yun
No, no,
Iba-ibang
that's-
instances
Oo,
naman.
minsan lang kasi
oo.
sensitive lang
Nakakatawa
yung...
lang. Medyo
oo.
naging sensitive lang siguro yung
Oo, kasi
person
nga
na yun.
joking or making jokes can be really very, very sensitive to
could
other
be
people.
also.
O depends din, again, depends sa kung sino yung nagbabato ng joke na yon,
Oo.
paano niya binato yon,
Oo.
at minsan din, kanino mo binabato yun,
Correct,
di ba? Kasi
oo.
minsan sensitive yung tao, di ba?
Oh, tsaka
Miski hindi mo ina-
depende
hindi
rin
mo-
sa mood eh.
Oo, oo.
Ng tao,
Oo.
how the person
Maybe
will
maling,
take. Oo.
yung timing nun, di ba?
Correct.
Could be
Oo.
like that also.
So, how do we teach our children not to be bullies, 'di ba? So I think for me we should teach them empathy, 'di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Yung kailangan matuto silang mag-ask, or tayo rin, we ask our children, how would you feel if someone did that to you,
correct.
'di ba? Yung para alam nila na teka,
Oo.
hindi pala tama yung ginagawa ko kasi kung sa akin ginawa yun, magagalit din ako,
Actually,
'di ba?
even up to now, malaki na yung anak ko. But kanina lang, I just reminded him na about, huwag mong gawin sa kapwa mo yung ayaw mong ginagawa sa'yo.
Yeah, exactly.
The golden rule, di ba?
Correct. Oo,
Even up to
oo.
now, at his age, I still remind him. Kasi
Tama.
ganun talaga dapat eh. di ba?
Correct, correct. You have to teach them respect.
Oo.
When someone is different, it doesn't mean that person is wrong.
Oo, oo.
Yun.
'Di ba?
So yeah, and aside from teaching respect, we should teach them to be courageous.
Correct.
So if you see bullying, yan, like Rex, di ba?
Oo.
Don't laugh, don't encourage, you
Yeah.
help out.
Correct,
Oo.
correct, correct. Tama yan, tama yan.
Tapos you also have to teach kindness, 'di ba? Sometimes
Right.
kasi being kind is enough, 'di ba? Parang kunyari, 'di ba, parang sinasabi ni Kuya Kim when he lost his daughter, 'di ba?
Correct.
Parang sinasabi niya compassion, courage. Yun yung naging advocacy niya eh. Compassion, courage, and a little extra kindness, 'di ba?
Yeah, it doesn't take much to be kind. Di
Yeah.
ba?
Yeah,
To
correct.
people,
Yeah.
the world will be happier if we have a lot of kind
Correct.
people. Sa totoo lang.
Pag kind ka kasi,
Oo.
hindi ka magiging bully
Correct.
talaga kasi naiisip mo yung ibang
Correct.
tao, 'di ba?
Oo. Dapat ganun na.
If your child tells you that someone bullied her or him, how would you react?
Ako siguro I'll ask first paano
Oo.
yung sitwasyon, paano, kailan, sino
Oo.
nagsabi, bakit niya sinabi,
Oo.
'di ba? Pero kung kunyari talagang after mo tinanong, hindi naman ako magre-react agad. Kung sinabi lang binubuli siya, I just need to know yung circumstances,
Yeah, oo.
'di ba? And then pag alam ko talaga, siguro buti na lang hindi nangyari sa mga anak ko 'yon. Pero siguro ako as a mother, pag nalaman ko after asking my child yung circumstances, at talagang bullying yun, Diyos ko, baka sinugod ko yun.
Oo, syempre.
Sinugod ko yun.
Syempre naman. Oo.
Pupunta ako sa school, sabihin ko sa principal to call the parents, haharapin ko yung
Oo,
parents.
tama.
That's a
Because
natural reaction.
as parents, that's our responsibility.
correct.
Naturuan natin yung mga anak natin not to be that.
Yeah.
'Di ba? So, yun.
Yeah, if recipient naman sila ng bullying, yan, I think, yun yung number one reaction. First, I'd ask him, what happened, ganun din, like you. And then, I'll assure the child, there's nothing wrong with you. Minsan baka it's just, you know, nagpe-play lang kayong dalawa eh. And yun nga, good enough. Hindi naman nangyari din sa anak ko in school na he wasn't bullied naman. Kasi mahirap din eh, if you have to go through that stage, na paano mo aanin sa bata, eh kasi minsan nagkaka-inferiority complex yung mga nabubuli eh. Yeah, di ba? So, luckily, hindi tayo
What
ganun.
if it's the other way around? Yung anak mo naman ang bubuli. Diba?
Oo.
Siguro depende kung kunyari na-accuse siya na siya yung nagbubuli, 'di ba?
Oo, ganun.
So tatanungin ko din yung nag-accuse, 'di ba? Again, hindi naman nangyari, but siguro if nangyari 'yon, tatanungin ko rin yung nang bubuli. Tatanungin ko rin
Bakit
yung
siya
nabully,
Oo.
how did you say that? 'Di ba? Ano bang ginawa nung anak ko? Ano bang nangyari prior to that? Bakit kanya sinabihan ng ganyan or bakit kanya, 'di ba, yung mga ganyan.
Correct.
And then if na-prove ko na bully talaga yung anak ko, siguro bigyan ko ng disciplinary action yung
Correct.
anak ko, 'di ba?
Dapat
Kasi
naman.
only way naman.
hindi naman pwedeng bebebeyin ko, no, it's okay lang ako nang bahala dun sa binuli mo. Hindi pwedeng ganun kasi yung maliliit na bagay, pag nakalusot yan sa una,
Magiging
gagawa yan ng mas malaki-laki,
Magiging habit
lulusot
na.
ulit,
Oo.
lalaki, hanggang mamaya hindi mo alam, crime na talaga yung
Correct.
ginagawa.
Oo.
mo.
Madaming
Diba?
ganyan,
Diba?
madaming ganyan.
So ito nga pinakamahirap because every parent believes my child wouldn't do that. Diba?
Oo.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
May kasong ganyan, ha?
oo, but the truth is, 'di ba, sometimes children don't even realize nga that they're bullying. So kaya kailangan as parents talaga, tayo, very aware din tayo sa ginagawa or nangyayari sa paligid ng mga anak natin or sino yung mga kaibigan nito. I think that's one important thing that a parent should
Correct.
do Alamin mo kung sino yung mga kaibigan at nakakasama ng mga anak mo.
Yeah.
Kasi kung kita mong medyo, anong tawag ba doon? Gangster yung dating ng mga kasama, di ba? Na, di ba?
Yeah.
Tell me who your friends
Yeah.
are and I'll tell you who you are. Di ba?
Totoo
That's
yun.
true, di ba?
Totoo yung kasabihan na yun.
So, yeah.
Ano yung examples? Examples like, parang it's just a joke. Diba? Diba? Parang, we're just playing. Ano pa ba? Everyone does it.
Oo.
Ano ba yung mga sinasabi?
Oo. That's why, parents should, yun nga, as I said, they should also teach yung difference between having fun,
Correct.
di ba? And hurting
Kasi mga
someone.
kids hindi pa sila aware minsan dyan. Especially the young ones. Di ba?
Oo,
Hindi nila
yeah,
alam
yeah,
yung play at saka yung nakakasakit
Di
na
ba
sila.
may mga case na ganyan recently, di ba? Na yung isa yung isang family na
Family.
sabi ng bubuli,
Yeah. Oo.
dinedeny nila kasi magkakaibigan
Yeah.
sila, ganyan.
Oo.
But the other side naman,
Yeah.
ang dating sa kanila, binubuli. But,
Yung nga, it's two sides, no? So,
Correct.
yung mahirap yata yun ngayon. So,
Oo.
because bullying, it doesn't end in school, ha?
Oo.
After school, meron pa rin talagang
Oo.
bullying. It happens.
Pero, ngayon, before actually, pag uwi mo, safe ka na eh.
Oo.
Feeling mo,
Oo, di ba?
oo,
Before,
oo.
pag binuli ka ng nagbubuli sa'yo, safe,
Nakauwi ka na.
safe
Oo,
ko na to, safe na ako.
safe place ko na yung
Oo.
bahay ko. Pero ngayon, iba na.
Oo.
Kasi may social media may Messenger, may TikTok, may Instagram, may group
Sobra.
chats, di ba?
Oo.
So, yung bullying follows
Oo,
you
correct.
home, di ba?
Oo.
Kasi
So,
may online bullying na rin ngayon, di ba?
Oo,
So, hindi
oo.
tayo makakatakas pala.
correct,
So,
correct.
as a parent ba, do you believe that we should monitor the social media accounts of our children para hindi nila ma-experience yung bullying na yan?
Depende rin sa age yan, ha. Like, for example, I'll give an example. Yung daughter ko's in the US. So, syempre, yung mga anak niya nasa 5 years old and 2 years old. So, yung isa pala 6. So, 6 years old na yon. So, meron siyang iPad na doon siya na nanonood ng mga cartoons, ganyan. So, yung ginawa ng daughter ko, si Selena, she made sure na nakalagay lang dun sa iPad are the cartoons na education na are the cartoons na okay to watch yung mga educational videos, yun lang. Yun,
Yeah.
kaya minomonitor niya yung daughter niya. And then at the same time, meron lang watch time. Yung
Tama.
parang,
Tama yun.
ganito lang, ganyan. Hindi the whole time nakatutok lang lagi
Tama
sa
yun.
ano.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Regulated. in other
Regulated,
words.
yes.
Before naman kasi hindi natin ma-experience yun
Yeah,
during our
yeah,
time
yeah.
kasi TV lang tayo. And talaga makikita ano pinapanood.
Yes,
eh.
yes.
So, doon pa lang, we're safe already. Pero ngayon nga, it's kind of hard for parents to monitor the activities of their children. Yun nga, tama yung ginagawa ng daughter mo na may watch time lang siya. Hindi the whole time accessible yung kanyang iPad, di ba? So, that's a good way talaga to guard your children. Kasi I also read also recently yung mga Roblox game.
Yun,
na
grabe
di ba?
yun.
Grabe,
Oo,
di ba?
oo,
It's
oo.
violence, but at the same time, tinuturuan pa yung bata gumawa ng
Correct.
masama.
I was about to say that doon sa
Yeah.
nabanggit natin na may messenger,
Oo.
may,
Oo.
'di ba?
Yeah.
May
Yeah.
mga
Those
chats,
mga games.
ganyan.
Yeah.
Kasi it's
Oo,
online, they can play with anybody else. So, hindi naman kilala yung
Oo.
mga kalaro ng anak.
Correct.
Yung pala, ibang ano na yon, like they're older and then pwedeng mga ano na, gangster na rin,
Oo,
di ba?
ano yung
Oo.
tinuturo,
Oo.
'di ba?
Tinuturo. So,
Yeah.
yeah, parents, maybe we should be cautious about that.
Correct,
And talagang
correct.
bantayan
Tama yan.
natin yung mga bata, especially their formative years.
Oo.
Oo. So, i-add ko lang, yung kagaya sinasabi mo, yung Roblox, di ba? So, I think, yung parents should know kapag medyo addicted na yung
Yan
bata.
na. Yun ang
Di ba?
gusto ko na say.
Hindi,
Tama ka
kasi
yan.
kung
Too much.
malalaki na yun, hindi mo naman, patingin nga ng phone mo,
Oo.
hindi mo naman
Oo.
gaganyanin eh. Pero nakikita mo sa actions, di ba?
nag-iiba eh, yung bata.
Nakikita mo yung ugali ng anak mo, hindi na
Yes.
siya normal.
Medyo kinakausap mo, hindi ka pinapansin.
Oo,
Diba?
or-
Sobrang...
At saka
Oo, or
addicted.
addicted
Oo.
na.
eh.
Yung talagang, di bali na siyang hindi kumain. Basta nandun
or
siya,
yung
naglalaro
grades niya,
siya,
baka
di
ano
ba?
na, may
Oo,
failing
grades.
marks na.
So, I think talaga, ang parents, malaki talaga yung ano niyan eh, influence niyan.
Correct.
Yeah.
Sa
I believe in that.
pagiging bully or yung nabubuli yung anak. Kasi no matter what age yung anak mo, kailangan as
I got-
parents, at no matter how busy you are,
Mm-mm.
kailangan talaga you look after your children eh,
Oo.
'di ba? Iba-iba lang syempre yung level, depende sa age, 'di ba? But you look after that. Kung kagaya no, nakita mo addicted na,
Oo.
medyo
Oo.
tignan mo, sino bang mga nakakalaro mo diyan, 'di ba? Yung mga ganun.
Tsaka feeling ko, dapat ang mga magulang, they should practice what they preach. Kasi pag nakikita nilang medyo, let's say, the parents are medyo loose with words, di ba? Medyo astig-astig din. So, tendency nila to
Gagayahin.
copy it, to
Oo,
emulate.
Ganun yan eh.
yes,
Di ba?
yes.
To emulate what they see from their parents. Kunyari yung tatay, medyo may road rage.
Oo.
Yun, that's
temper
bullying
issues.
also. Di ba?
Oo.
Magkagaya yun ng bata eh.
Oo,
Nakikita
oo,
niya
oo.
yun eh.
Ang laki ng responsibility
Yes,
talaga ng mga
correct.
parents, di ba? So, how much is too much?
Yun nga. I mean,
yun na nga. Yun ang
diba? Yung
sabi ko.
parang pag addicted na nga, diba?
Diba?
And to add to what you said also, diba? Tayo as parents are the examples,
Correct.
role model of our children,
Exactly.
diba?
Exactly.
So, pag ikaw, basagulero ka as a parent, yung
Yes.
father, or nagbubugbugang kayo ng mag-asawa,
Makukuha niya
alam
yan.
mo, may swerte na lang kayo if yung mga anak nyo, hindi nila gagawin yung nakita nila sa magulang nila. Because nasa tamang pag-iisip sila na hindi, I
Oo.
want na iba yung life ko, better yung life ko. But there are children na role model, yun lang ang nakikita nila eh, di ba?
So, they
So
think
feeling
it's right
nila
na,
normal yun
normal,
at tama
oo,
yun.
oo.
So,
Yun ang norm para sa kanila.
Oo.
Kasi they see it every day.
Pag nagkaasawa sila or pag nasa labas sila with other people, gagawin nila yon.
Correct.
Kasi nga, akala nila
Normal.
normal yun.
Yes.
Correct.
Diba? So, let's pretend we're actually talking directly to our kids. If someone hurts you, you have to tell someone. Sabihin mo sa magulang mo or your friend. Don't keep it inside. Kasi dyan doon pumapasok yung mental health
Correct.
issues eh, di ba?
Yes, I believe. And so, if someone is being bullied also, stand beside them. Kung kaibigan mo yan, if you're a true friend,
Tama.
you can make the difference. Help your friend, di ba?
Or if you made a mistake, apologize. Learn to do better.
Oo. And at the end of the day kasi, bullying isn't about being stronger, di ba? It's about making someone else feel better, di ba?
Correct.
Yeah. And of course, kindness. We always believed in this, na it isn't weakness. Porket mabait ka ba, mahinang tao ka na?
Oh, hindi.
Or mahinang klase ka? Hindi. It actually takes more courage to be kind. Mahirap maging mabait ha, and
Oo,
kind.
that's
Than
right.
to join
Oo.
the crowd. Yung iba, makikiin na lang ako sa grupong to. Hindi, let's choose kindness and make a difference.
Alright. One kind word, one friend, one person who says, okay ka lang?
Oo.
Oo. Could completely change someone's day or even their lives.
Tama. That's
Kaya-
the person who checks, that's the person who checks on you eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Yung mga
Correct.
ganong
Oo,
klase,
yeah,
okay ka lang
yeah.
ba talaga?
'Di ba minsan yung parang pag automatic sa iyo yon, yung parang 'di ba kung automatic minsan may nakikita good morning yung in the 'di ba pag kunyari sa office pag dumating ka good morning
Kahit naman tayo as
ganyan.
friends, 'di ba?
Pwedeng kasunod nung good morning, oh how are
Kamusta
you,
na?
kamusta ka
Oo.
today,
How's your day?
Yeah.
oo anong ginawa mo yesterday,
Correct.
ganyan,
Oo.
okay
Simple
ka ba, yung mga
kamustahan
ganon,
lang.
'di ba? Oo. Hindi naman mahirap gawin yun, 'di ba?
Oo.
So, anyway, before we end, no, let's answer one question. What's one lesson about kindness that you hope every child grows up knowing? Diba?
Yung sa'yo.
Oh, ako, I hope that every child grows up knowing that being kind will never make you less of a person.
Correct.
In fact, it makes you a better one, 'di ba? You don't have to be the person na people will remember na the most accepted, the most popular, the most kumbaga included and valued ganyan. Hindi 'yon. So, yeah.
That's true. The world has enough critics. Tama na, mga bashers na yan.
Oo.
Please, let's raise our children to become encouragers.
Because
Enablers.
because every child deserves to be or to feel safe and accepted and valued.
Correct. And remember, teach your children not just how to succeed, diba? But how to make others feel seen, respected, and included.
It's not always naman success eh. At the end
Oo
of the day,
naman. Oo.
hindi porket successful ka, you're the best person
Correct.
to accomplish ka na. Because sometimes nga, we always go back to the small act of kindness. It can make the biggest difference in the
Totoo
world.
yan.
Totoo yan.
So,
Thank you for joining us in this episode of
Kwento lang, chika pero deep.
see you next week!
Today, we're putting ourselves into the hot seat.
oh my goodness.
No scripts, no perfect answers, just, honest conversations.
Yep, I'm
Okay.
scared. Ano ba to?